everyone,
I'm Huy.
and I'm Lily.
Welcome to Table of Plenty.
Hi, I'm Lily. Welcome to the first episode of Table of Plenty. So based on the theme of creating your own world, we just figured the best thing that we could possibly do to get us started on this journey was to begin the journaling process. It's just a really good process of just like kind of allowing your brain to create guilt-free and just unlock things that you didn't even know were there. Even like some of the world's greatest artists like Frida Kahlo, for instance. This is her diary right here, and if you have a look, it's all quite crude. It's beautiful, lucid, but crude. Even your favourites weren't afraid to get things splotchy and get things wrong. I think that's actually quite nice. Really just see what we're doing more as a means of inspiration as opposed to something prescriptive. You don't need to, you don't really need to kind of just follow step by step. It's more just giving you a springboard to kind of just allow your imagination to take shape. Find those little spots of inspiration in your everyday life, whether it's, through a magazine you like, some movies, conversation with your friends, and you just document however you please. That's when the true ideas kind of spring forth.
The linear is what you guys through the concept of journaling and how to document your art making process with a visual diary. However, I'm not a very organized person, and I'm on the go most of the time, so I don't always have a visual diary with me. But what I can do is to record my visual explorations and inspirations and findings through digital mediums, and by that I mean using the phone and laptop.
The most spontaneous way to document something is to take a picture of it, bring a camera or phone with you wherever you go, snap a picture when you see something interesting, and this way you always keep a digital record. I'm not too crazy about social media, but I love Instagram because it's an excellent way of documenting my progress. I opened an account back in 2015 and made it my goal to post something every day. And almost 5 years later, I have a collection of photographs that clearly show my progress and style evolution. Instagram is also a great source of inspiration because it's such a convenient and popular platform to showcase your work and document your art. It's used by a lot of artists, designers and photographers. Find your favorite artist, just give them a follow, bookmark the post that you like, scroll through the explore section. Keep exploring and you find yourself with a super diverse mood board full of interesting stuff. Outside of Instagram, there are also many great art and design focused communities like Behance and DeviantArt, where you can explore for inspirations and upload, promote, and get feedback on your creations. I remember making a DeviantArt account back in year 10 because I was crazy about Pokemon papercraft, and later in my uni years I made an Instagram account to showcase my photography. And as of recently, I've been uploading my graphic design work on Behance, so it's never too late to start, and you should do it now.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out episode 1 of Table of Plenty. Feel free to check out the rest of the content on Lost in Books TV, and we look forward to seeing you soon.